Cordial regards. My name is Sandra Milena Silva, a student of the Business Administration program at the National Open and Distance University, UNED. Dear Mr. Antonio Guterres, I want to express my point of view on an issue that worries me a lot, and that although technological advances have contributed to improve industrialization processes to meet the different demands of different types of population on the planet. Its effects on the environment, they are devastating. Everyday biodiversity is affected, causing a decrease in genetic variability. There is also pollution and sedimentation of forests, deforestation of forests, lands, food and waste, salinization, acidification, compaction, erosion and desertification of soil. All this has contributed to climate change due to the deterioration of the ozone layer. I think that if current trends continue, we will see the economic growth of some powers, but poverty will continue to increase due to population growth in less favorable areas, and we will continue moving towards the extinction of life on the planet. We believe that to make way for one of the solutions for the environment crisis, governments should implement and maintain an educational plans focused on supporting not only the community and their daily activities, but also the big businessmen and their economic and commercial projects. This educational plan must be based on respect for the environment and must promote the use of natural resources in a responsible manner, using of technology that respects the development. I know you want to help, so I suggest you address governments around the world to take urgent actions against environmental degradation. Thank you very much.